Hello students, how are you? Now we were doing exercise 13.3. So my students, you see the question number 7. It is also practical question, equity based. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high and radius of base 18 centimeter. A cylindrical bucket whose height is 32 centimeter and radius of base is 18 centimeter, height is 32 centimeter and radius of base is 18 centimeter. It is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground. When bucket is emptied on the ground, and then you will see practically also conical heap will be formed on the ground. Clear this? And this conical heap, and then he is saying height of this conical heap is 24 centimeter. Find the radius and slant height of this conical heap. Clear this? I think question is clear. So it means volume of sand in cylindrical shape is equal to volume of sand in this conical heap remains same. So my dear friends, you see according to question, so volume of sand in conical heap, that is equal to volume of sand in cylindrical bucket. I think clear, because sand in the cylinder and is poured on this, emptied out on the ground, and then conical heap is formed. So volume of sand in conical heap is equal to volume of sand in cylindrical bucket. So volume of sand in conical heap, what is the volume of cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And volume of sand in cylindrical bucket, that is pi r square h. Because I have suppose capital R, capital H. So my students, pi cancel here. So 1 by 3. What is r square? R you have to find out. And height is 24. And this is 18 into 18 is 32. 3 8 ja. So 8 r square. 18 into 18 into 32. So r square 18 into 18 32 upon 8. So my dear students, you see 8 4 ja 32. 18 into 18 324 into 4 1296. This is r square, and this r square, and this 1296, it is the whole square of 36. So r is equal to 36 centimeter. So my dear students, this radius r 36, this is the radius of conical heap. Clear this? Now next he is asking find the slant height of heap also. This slant height also is asking. So my dear students, slant height of heap. What is slant height of heap? Slant height formula you know very well of cone, under root h square plus r square. So h is 24 square and r is 36 square. And 36 square is 1296 and 24 into 24 576. So 6 plus is 12. Clear this? And then 1872. Now if you find the square root of this, you will not get this in round figure. Then simplify, factorize. Then if you see factor, it is 12 into 12 into 13. Then take the pair of 12 outside. So this is 12 root 13 centimeter. So this is the slant height of this conical heap. Very simple concept is there. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of conical heap. you equate and find the radius and then you will get this. Understand? So my dear friends, one more question. Question number 8 you also read. What is question number 8? You see, water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. Water in a canal, hear this, is flowing with a speed. What is the speed of water? Speed of water is 10 km per hour and then 6 meter wide. So width is 6 meter and then depth of water, that is 1.5 meter, is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? Here is the water is flowing and then how much area will irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. How much area will irrigate? It means water is coming from canal with this speed and it will irrigate how much area in the field and where 8 centimeter of level of water is required. I want the level of water 8 centimeter, then how much area will irrigate? Hear this. And it is also given in 30 minutes. In a 30 minutes also you keep in mind. So my dear students, water is coming from canal. Canal is always in the shape of cuboid. So this speed of water gives a length. This speed of water is equal to 10 km per hour, that is 10,000 meter per hour. So this speed of water gives the length of water. Therefore, length of water in 1 hour, that is 10,000 meter. So volume of water in 1 hour, that is canal in the shape of cuboid, L into V into H. So length is 10,000 and breadth is 6 and depth is, this cancel, this is 90,000 meter cube. This is the volume of water in 1 hour. But he is asking volume of water in 30 minutes. Volume of water in half an hour, that is half of this, that is 45,000 meter cube. Clear this? So it means, now according to question, what is saying? How much area will irrigate? Let area irrigated in 30 minutes, that is x. Clear this? That is x meter square. And level of water needed 8 centimeter. It means 8 centimeter means 8 by 100 meter. So my dear students, I think I rub this. Volume of required area, that is, you can see x meter square into 8 by 100, that is 45,000 meter cube. So this is the volume of required area which has to irrigate it, that is equal to volume of water in 30 minutes. So x is equal to 45,000 into 100 by 8. So now you can link 8, 5, 6 and then 2, 5. So this is 5, 6, 2, 5, 00 meter square. This is this area. Now if you convert into area into hectare, so you divide by 10,000. This is the hectare. Yeah, this. So cancelling this, this is 56.25 hectare. This area will be irrigated in 30 minutes. Understand? So this is the answer. Understand? So now one more question, my dear students. Last question you see. You read this. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. 2 meter depth is there. So my dear students, I am giving a hint. What is saying? A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter. So water is coming from the canal, and then now farmer connects a pipe. Water is coming from pipe. It is collected in the cylindrical tank in her field. Hear this. And then what is diameter of this pipe? And diameter of pipe is given 20 centimeter. So radius is diameter by 2, that is 10 centimeter. So convert into meter. It is 10 by 100 meter. Clear this? 20 centimeters. So 20 by 2, 10 centimeter. It is 1 by 10 meter. This is the radius of cylindrical this pipe. Clear this? And this water is collected in the cylindrical tank, which is 10 meter in diameter. Diameter 10 meter. So radius 5 meter. And depth of this tank is 2 meter. And if the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Hear this. So I think question clear. So he is saying if the speed of water is 3 km per hour, so speed of water is 3 km per hour, that is 3000 meter per hour. So now question is clear. Water coming from this pipe and it is collected in this tank is asking in how much time this tank will be filled in this field. Understand? So now first of all you find out the volume of water flow out in 1 hour. So I have told this speed will give the length of water. In last question I have told. So this speed will give the length. So length of water in 1 hour, that is this volume of cylindrical pipe. So this is pi into r square 1 by 10, 1 by 10. This is 3000 meter. Hear this. So length of water in 1 hour. First you write 3000 meter. Then you write so volume of water in 1 hour, that is volume of cylinder pi r square. Because I have written here length of water. This speed gives the length 3000 meter. So volume of water in 1 hour pi r square h. So pi r square 1 by 10, 1 by 10, and height means length. This answer, this is 30 pi meter cube. This is the volume of water in 1 hour. So now what is the volume of tank? So volume of tank also in cylindrical shape. So my dear students, you see this is pi and radius is 5 into 5, and depth of this tank is 25 into 2, 50 pi meter cube. Hear this. So this is the volume of water in 1 hour, and volume of tank in 55 meter cube. So my dear students, we have to find the time. In how much time it will fill the tank. So my dear friends, let required time is equal to x hours. So volume of water in x hours, that is volume of tank. Volume water in 1 hour, volume water in 1 hour, that is 35. So in x hours, x into 35 is equal to volume of tank 55. So x is equal to 55 upon 35. So my student, I think it is clear. In how much time tank will filled? I have told in x hours tank will filled. It means volume of water through pipe in x hours, that is equal to volume of tank. So you equate this cancel, this pi cancel. So 5 by 3 hours, that is 1 is to 2 by 3 hours. So this is the required time when this pipe will fill this tank which is in the field. So my dear students, this time question work and time question also we have to revise from extra book also.